Hi everyone, Jaleesa here. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I did this FLEXI rod set using products from LottaBody. So I'm going to be using products from their new line, the Milk and Honey line, and I'm going to be starting off by shampooing my hair with their shampoo first. What I really love about this shampoo is that it smells really nice and it is not stripping to my hair. When I apply my shampoo, I like to really focus on my roots and getting my scalp clean because a healthy scalp promotes that hair growth. So I'm just using my fingertips to work that product in, and it lathers up really nicely, as you can see. Another thing that I love about this shampoo, once I rinsed it out, my hair felt super duper clean. Next up, I'm going in with my conditioner, and this conditioner smells just like the shampoo. As I am applying the conditioner, I am being very generous with it because I want to make sure that all of my curls are covered in the conditioner. I also like to really focus on my ends a lot when I am applying my conditioner. So next I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair up, well, pin it up and put a cap on top of my hair. I let this conditioner sit on my hair for about 30 minutes before I washed it out. And guys, once I washed this conditioner out of my hair felt so soft and moisturized. Next up, I am moving into styling my hair, and before I get ready to apply my mousse and my FLEXI rods, I'm going to go in with my Nourish Me leave-in conditioner from LottaBody. All of the products have a pretty consistent smell, and this product applied really nicely to my hair. I was able to work it in all over my strands, and I am being very generous with it because, like I said before, I like to make sure that the product is getting all over my hair. Once I have the leave-in applied to my hair, I'm going to take my wet brush and brush through my hair to detangle it a bit before I get ready to apply my FLEXI rods. The next product that I'm going to be using is the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse, and I am taking a generous amount of this product as well and applying it to a small section of my hair, while also making sure to put enough product on my ends because when I do styles like this, my ends always tend to frizz up on me. So we're going to see how this works out today. Once my product is applied, I'm going to be taking my FLEXI rods and going ahead to apply them all over my hair. I'm going to be starting at the ends of my hair and winding the FLEXI rod up my hair. And again, I'm going to be taking that foaming mousse and applying that all over that section of hair, making sure that I put enough on the ends, and then rolling my FLEXI rod and winding it up my hair. Making sure that I really roll it close to my roots. I'm making sure not to do too big of a section on my hair as I'm applying these FLEXI rods because I find that when you do bigger sections, it takes a lot longer to dry. So I'm grabbing the smaller sections to apply these FLEXI rods, and once they are all in my hair, I am actually going to sit under a hair dryer. And you don't have to sit under a hair dryer if you do not want to. You can air dry. I do not suggest sleeping in these FLEXI rods overnight because they are pretty painful. I have done it in the past and it's not the best idea. So try to find a hooded dryer or dryer attachment where you can attach a hood to it and dry your hair that way. I actually chose to sit under the hair dryer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and my hair was pretty much dry. So now that I have all of my flexi rods in, like I said, I sent under the hair dryer to dry my hair. I'm going to go ahead and start taking the flexi rods down in the back. As you can see, I have a perfect curl. My ends are looking pretty good so far, but I'm going to go ahead and take my flexi rods down all over, and my hair is pretty dry. Once I have all of my flexi rods out, I'm going to go ahead and start separating my curls as much as I can separate them without getting too much frizz. Guys, when I'm doing this part, I tend to get so impatient. I'm trying my best not to cause too much extra frizz, but you want to make sure on this part that you do take your time and not create that extra frizz and mess up your style that you work so hard to do. And once you have your curls as separated as you would like them to be, just grab your pick and pick out your hair to create some volume. Guys, I did not go too far with this pick. I did pick it out just a little bit to kind of fluff my hair out, but I'm not the best with creating volume, so I did my best. So these are the curls that I got. The ends are just a little bit frizzy, so next time I think I may apply a little bit more product on my ends or apply some gel just to make sure that the ends are smooth. But for the most part, I love the look that this foaming mousse gave my curls. And then now I'm taking the LottaBody Milk and Honey Edge Control and applying that to my edges just to smooth everything out and finish up this style. So these are my final results. If you are battling dryness with your hair, I definitely recommend these products because they left my hair so soft and moisturized. As you can see, the foaming mousse worked pretty good. It's just my ends that are a little bit frizzy, but I think that's just because I did not add enough product to my ends, and I just needed to make sure that I smooth my hair out before applying it to that flexi rod. But yeah, these are my results. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you like doing flexi rod sets, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.